Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching us from. Isvanet Services is here, and guys, where we are, it's a little bit cold. You can see my outfit, it's a little bit cold. We are in Rongo. Rongo is in Migori County still. Yeah, we are in Rongo and we are here to install solar power. And this client, guys, you can see, let me just show you the panel before I proceed. We have very big panels on the ground, 625 volts. We've just arrived. Here are our batteries, very big batteries, you can see them. And these ones have our panels. They are very huge, guys. So to go side, and I was trying to explain to you guys, this customer was paying on an installment basis. First batch we delivered the panels and the rails, and right now we are here with the batteries and the inverters and other accessories. So stay tuned, don't go away. We've just started. We are on the go. So don't go away. Stay tuned. We follow the procedure until we are done. Stay with us. I love it. That's good. We are here with the team, and we came for a survey. Last time I showed my people how we delivered the panels. So like I was saying, guys, everyone is welcome, whether you don't have the full amount and you are interested in solar power, you want to install solar in your workplace, in your homes, feel welcome. So long as you pay 60-70% upon agreement, we will arrange how you're gonna clear the balances. So like these customers was paying in installment. Up to this moment, we are here now to install solar power. We are in Rongo, Migori County, and this is the roof. These are the panels. So I'm gonna take you through the procedure until we finish everything, and this home will run on pure solar power. It's gonna be a good news to the client, and the client is just a good referral. It's from US, and he came back, she came back home, the family is home. So we are happy to meet this client, though she's not here with us. She went for a visit since it's been a while, almost 5 years. She has not been in the country, but once you are back, when you've been away, you need to visit your relatives, but work must continue. Isvanet Services on the ground. Yeah guys, here we have the rails. Let me show them. These are the rails that will hold our panels on top of the rails. So these are the rails. One is longer than the other. And we have 4 panels.
Hello, you mean? Good. This one. Good. Hey, thank you very much, sir. Alex, kau ini nih, gua di dia. Eh?
Yeah, the team is going on top of the roof.
It's okay.
There they go.
It's very much okay.
Oh, sorry. Be careful. Hold the guys.
Man, bengas ngwe ka made yo segi ke tira bolo.
Safety, safety. And we are going live. Kiselu atinyere nyere.
Omin kuja ki dua kik mirwa kai na go kibiri tija. Mano koro kata Alex sama itu. Kus weche go dikki.
Safety boots. Safety boots, yeah. Safety boots. Neka kale Alex Ojirama. Safety boots, guys. Safe for climbing the roof.
Kor.
See, the first rails are already on the roof. Now I've started taking the panels on top of the roof. The panels are now going on top of the roof. We are going to follow the procedure so that everyone understands how we do it. Just see the size of the panel. Too big, too huge. The heat collector. That is the heat collector. So the rail will support the panel up there. That is the work of the rail. What's that idea? Hiya. We are waiting for the team to connect the panel now. The panel is being taken on top of the roof now. I love you, Manikitunkon. It's not an easy job, guys. It's not an easy job because even climbing on top of the roof itself, it's very risky. It's very risky. So we have to make sure that everyone is safe. This is the first panel.
No, the rails are going up, eh?
Yeah, the rails, the first one, the first panel.
First panel side.
First panel is being taken up. And you have to be careful. It's very risky up there.
Aya, ne. Lovi. You are dichiel? Sawa. We gino nindi. Lovi.
Wolo kyalo kako dwalo kono.
No, understand gimana mi riti.
Mondo yue donge.
Mi riti mata.
Experts on the ground.
Alex manyono rail.
Yeah, the first one is already up. Then we take the second panel. We have the 4 of them.
No, you don't know que sabe ni Alex ini di mal. Normal. Lan ki.
Then we take the second, the third, and the fourth. They are being arranged in one line. On the other side here, we are assembling the battery. This is the lithium battery, guys. Engineer is busy assembling. So this is the holder. It's very heavy. This is the lithium battery.
Okay. Yeah, also doing fine.
Battery.
Nice storage.
Storage.
Lithium. Lithium battery.
Yeah.
Battery.
Lithium.
Lithium. Kuru manu tena material molo seka.
Oh, the lithium.
Beti mako makawaida machalo gari kiango material molo supure. Koro sani technology manyien en lithium.
We are taking the second panel up. This is the second panel now.
Mimi ndo niso eh.
Wait, on man.
Two more are still here down. Consider that is the second panel going up. Misoga moya.
Mongede. Many
The panels are very heavy.
Matintu. Sawa. Lebih ke kanyo.
Magnegas.
Gas udah kemana? Halo Bi. Halo Bi
So
cuma.
already we have two up. We have two up, remaining two down. Till the fourth one is up. We are doing the termination now. That is the toughest one, guys. Taking the panels on top of the roof. It's not easy. Yeah, like the type of the roof we have here, slippery. Yeah. It's not easy. It's not easy. Once the panels are up, now you feel like a little bit relieved. Yeah. Taking the panels up is the most difficult work. Once we are done taking the panels up, we are relieved now. Other activities follow. Stay tuned, don't go away. It's Vanet Services. Yes, my people, we can see now we have two lithium ion batteries. Each has got 5 kilowatts. 5 kilowatts. So we have two. So this is more than enough for this house. It is just more than enough. 10 kilowatts. 5. There are two batteries, you can see. 5 kilowatts. There are two of them, guys. It's enough to carry out all the activities in this building. There we go. Lithium battery is the best. That is what we install. Usetieko remote mo?
Iya. Apa dia?
Idwa tero?
Anatero beti no pin mono kasi.
Okay, do okoka foot.
Huh?
Okoka foot. Paul. Opek. Yeah. So next we're gonna mount the batteries on the wall. We have to mount them on the wall to make work easier. Until the next, we are going to mount our batteries, our lithium ion batteries, and this is exactly what we are doing right now. You can see the team is busy over here. We want to mount it on the wall, the two of them plus the inverter. All of them will be safe on the wall. Sorry? Which one? Sasa inverter inakaa wapi? Sorry? So the two batteries will be here and here battery, then inverter, then one a little bit down. Okay. Step by step, we are moving forward.
Mounting the bracket.
Now, just making sure that they are on the same line, same level. Now need to come gore. Itabidi umerudisha bracket. Weka level ama iko sawa? Straight to ensure that the two batteries are on the same level. So it is a process.
How do you say? This job always Dia kira waktu misen neka kawacha logo dia maunya ke saya.
We're done mounting the batteries. You can see them, the two batteries. They're going to do so that they start charging as early as now. With us here we have the inverter. As sorry, the battery each is 5. Both are now 10. 10 Next, we're gonna mount the inverter now. Doing measurements. Wall is soft.
Sorry?
The wall is soft.
It's not that soft, but it is soft.
Next plan is to mount the inverter here.
You had that ready. Alex.
Doing the measurement just to ensure it is in a straight line, good level, using the spirit level.
Sorry? And put it.
Donate to the market.
Pwede niya nga? Okay niya, tuloy.
Now we already have the inverter on the wall, has been mounted already. So check we have our 2 batteries plus the inverter.
Tarik achiel no. Kapok ochwana achielo. Achielo sudah.
We are now checking the third panel. The third panel is going up, guys. Moving up. The third one is now moving up. I told you this job is not that easy. Climbing on top of that roof, it's very risky, not easy. There we go. The third one is up.
In di bawah, kamu juga di bawah. Bedo kanya. Alex.
Bede bau. Di kalau damage roof.
Ini mundung juga.
The third one is up already now. We are remaining with one now.
Ini cabeça. Lebih di.
Yes, my people, you can see all the 4 panels are now on top of the roof. Smartly arranged. And now, just in 5 minutes, the light will be on in the building. Let's wait and see. My gosh. Yeah, guys, you can see the engineer is now doing the settings now. The battery or the inverter should be communicating to the batteries. So that communication must be there. There we go. He's doing the settings. The battery is at 44% and the other one is at 45%. So let's wait and see after the settings. Everyone is here waiting for the power to get into the house. Everyone is watching. People are really waiting to see what's next. Guys, you can see the lights are now off, like everyone is surprised. You can see the population here. Members of the family and the colleagues are here. Lights are on now. You can see the house is being run on pure solar power. And you can check all the sockets are working. and the lights are on. You can see that other side. Let me just show you. You can see the bulbs are on everywhere. If you check into this room, it was dark before, and right now you can see it's very, very bright. Construction still ongoing. So the customer is asking a question about the solar. At least he wants to understand it better. Yeah, what he's trying to ask, at least if this power can be transferred to another room, which is very possible. Just cabling and everything is possible. It can be transferred to all houses within the compound. That is his question. Construction still ongoing. You can see the floor how it is. They're still doing some adjustment to the house. Now you can see the system is on and up running. It's working perfectly. Yeah guys, I had to test my phone if it is charging, and yes, it is charging. This is solar. Let me just put it on and you see. It's charging there. So all the sockets has got power. Lights are on. Everything is working. Engineer, are we done? Yeah, just a brief explanation over there. The work of changeover. Just take people through
I'll take
what
them
we
through.
have there.
Let me take them through when we are done, when it's working.
Yeah. Okay, just in a few, we'll engage engineer to give us full details, final touches as we are leaving now. Just in a few.
This power is normally connected. Changeover is normally connected.
Lawrence, to in kind of good, but I give you money, commission.
Just a minute, engineer is trying to explain to the client how it's working, how the inverter is communicating to the batteries, and how the changeover will be picking automatically. It is something that is automatic. If power goes off, it comes automatically. The solar picks automatically.
So in short, you alone emergency power should kick in. And now, in our scenario, our emergency power is Kenya power. Because our primary power is solar. So solar is our normal power, and then Kenya power is our emergency power. Then all of them will loop. Live red begin and loop together. So output no can is the same, either this side or this side. Or in this scenario, our inverter is on. So as situation where your inverter is off, there is a problem or battery is off. So what do? The inverter will go off. So I want you to check. I'm trying to do a typical scenario. Demo. So that means the inverter will go off if either of these or these are the
put it off and we see.
check here. I want you to check here. You see what it does?
It's automatically.
So it has switched automatically to the emergency output, which is now Kenya Power.
Now return it
Without
back.
without switching you off.
Yes. Now
You've seen that.
go to
Now, in a scenario where maybe battery the power iliisha kwa battery zako. Now the power is back. The inverter hizi vitu zimecharge inaamka. So what's that scenario? Inverter is coming on. Let's check again. So it starts for it take a bit of time to start. It's a process. See kama
When you're working.
yani kuriki. Then check it. It's almost. You've seen that?
Good. Romano, about 1 minute.
Yeah.
Sorry. 30 seconds.
But now, if you had an emergency, it's the inverter that has gone off. Kenya Power will pick immediately. Okay. But now, when the inverter is starting, the inverter takes a bit of some 30 seconds.
When do I use this?
This one, normally when the inverter has an error, kaka sijamuki nenoka battery with low, magini gisi error, mori video kwa T. So the moment it is doing T and already the system is charging, imefika 10 a.m. in the morning. So the only thing you need to do is to restart your system. You restart your system. This is the procedure. You have 3 breakers in your case. You have 3. This is 1. Hapa kando kuna. So you saw this one the other time. Later ta. We show you. This thing is okay. This thing is very safe. No. You have to break it. Now you green. Sing it. Kappa. You're the tallest amongst us. You see this? This side, corner. That is the breaker now. So you see that breaker? Okay, you switch it. When you switch it off, when you pull it going down, you shall have switched it off. Again, this side also has the same. So when you switch those ones, the two off, umekata battery kwa hii inverter. Ukikata hii, umezima kitu yote yenye inaenda kwa hii system. It can't reach, so it should reset itself. So when you do that, it turns off completely.
Then when I put it on, it does itself.
When you put this one back on, after it's already reset, when some switch and all the low kabisa samana energy. So when that happens, when it's completely off, give it a bit of maybe 30 seconds again. Then bring this back on, bring this to back on. The system will come back on.
Good. Now, go on. Okay. Kukuru mano housing na?
Yeah, housing. Kuro, we'll do a very neat thing. Kuro, the only thing like remember I was telling you that you need some like openings, because the most important part that you are interested in is this switching point, and maybe where you are going to invert. A scenario where your inverter as an issue, so you can take it back to manual. You see this one?
Oh,
the manual. Kuro, in that case, kata stimula. Chuna niya kitin kaka wate mo kacha.
This one is auto manual.
Manually. The other one is automatic.
So we do it the other way.
So I want to ask you, as we talk now, I'm not seeing the name here. It was 43.
It was 44, 45, but we're using it. That it is charging. You see this? When you see this blinking, it's charging. It is charging.
Why is it only blinking one side and the equipments are two?
No, the inverter reads. The inverter only reads battery as a single unit because they are in series. So it's receiving it. Kan batu Kenya Power. Bina no line mar Kenya Power. Simple mar line Kenya Power. Dua tu Kenya Power ni begi ni wamio Kenya Power. To do manu indicate. But we are not doing that because we want to judge purely on solar. So inverter, so Kenya Power only comes in when we are doing.
As a backup.
52% is what now?
52.7%, that is the voltage of the battery. If it goes below 42, 46 volts, it has zero.
Where? Yeah.
If this one goes below 50, 47, 46 there,
It has zero.
it has zero.
And they are going uniformly.
Uniformly. Tomorrow you will check. You know, right? Mar communication man. You know, communicate between you communicate. But koro ngani communicate gi ngani ka nyise ni jok main go gen joma chal.
Now,
So this one is reading the information from this and giving it.
mano is done.
Yeah.
Ere manual, ere Monday go.
Ere manyo na
Models of brain.
Guys, I love it when the client is asking questions so that you get satisfied. This is the right time to ask and understand how the system is working. Because after we've left, he will be here with the old system.
You will come alive. Tamu iseti ukiweka chama kama.
Baba walungi ke popotiku.
Yeah, like I was explaining, guys, I love it when the client is asking questions, all the questions related to the system, and you've just heard, he was satisfied. Now we have a successful installation. Engineer is just going to take us through, at least to explain for someone who doesn't understand to understand well. There we go, engineer.
So we've done a successful installation.
Yeah.
So fortunately we've done two lithium-ion batteries,
Yeah.
5 kilowatt-hour for the client. So the system is a 5 kilowatt-hour system,
Yeah.
5 kilowatt system with 2 lithium batteries. So that means the client has approximately 10 units.
10 units.
If you are translating it to the normal utility units, it's 10 units, at least
Yeah.
10 kilowatt-hour.
Yeah.
So they're good to go.
Yeah.
So we have 2 batteries, all communicating together, and then connected to the inverter, properly communicating. Then we have a system that's for changing the power. Because normally, in as much as you've done a good and a successful installation, it doesn't mean that it cannot have problems.
Yeah.
A scenario where probably the system was overused such that the batteries have drained completely
Yeah.
to 0%, so the system will switch off. When the system switches off and the customer has got very sensitive items like the fridge,
Yeah.
where you don't want your food to be destroyed.
Yeah.
So in the process, you're in a scenario where you need power full time.
Yeah.
That's why it needs the solar power, because hopefully this will serve them full time.
Yeah.
But in a scenario where there is an issue with the inverter or the batteries have gone off,
Yeah.
then you're supposed to be supported fully. The power should not be cut off.
Yeah.
So that's why in our system we have an automatic changeover, which has got the normal utility, the Kenya power system,
Yeah.
and our normal power system, which is now the inverter system.
Yeah.
So the power from the inverter goes through normal supply side. Then Kenya power system, Kenya power supply comes through as an emergency power.
So that is the backup.
Yes,
Kenya
so
Power is
Kenya
the
Power is now
backup.
the backup now.
Okay,
So in
I
our
get
scenario, solar is the primary, whereas Kenya Power is the backup.
Okay.
So in a situation where your system has gone off and you really need your systems to be supported continuously, then the automatic changeover will change on its own automatically. Like we can see. I'm going to switch off the inverter.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm going to switch off the inverter. If you can be able to concentrate here.
Yeah.
I
That
would
is
want
the
you to
demo.
concentrate.
The
Yeah,
demo
yeah.
is here.
I would want you to concentrate here because I'm going to switch off the inverter.
Yeah.
You'll see how the automatic
It's
changeover
moving.
is going to move. Right now it's pointing on normal side.
Yeah.
This is why it's showing this side.
Yeah.
But now when I switch off the inverter, it's going to change the direction from the normal side to emergency side, which is
Yeah.
in this case Kenya
Kenya
Power side.
Power.
So I've switched off. You'll see. Yes.
Immediately.
It's changing immediately.
Wow, wow,
and
wow.
the power is not cut off.
Yeah.
When you check the inverter will be off completely. No LED, zero
So,
LED.
so we are being supported by the backup
Yes.
now.
So right now we're being supported by
The backup. That is Kenya Power.
yes. Kenya Power is now it's now our emergency power, as you can
Okay.
see. This side there's no LED now.
Okay.
But now, in a scenario where probably you hold it, so probably we've sorted out the issue that was affecting the inverter.
Yeah.
Probably tomorrow the battery is drained, so that so in case the power is back,
Yeah.
simply switch it back on. You're doing a demo, so the inverter is going to come on, and as it comes on, you will see the changeover coming back to normal power.
Yeah.
Just observe, it's about to. Yes.
Back
And
to
just like
solar.
that, we're back to solar. And the inverter is on, and our system is working as appropriately as possible. So thank you very much. The installation has been successful.
Yeah.
You can show them the
The
panels.
panels now.
We're planning to expand, but at least we started with this. Thank
Yeah,
you.
guys, we've just started with 4 panels. That is what the clients had. And the good news with our company is Vanet Services, guys. If you don't have the 100% capital to install your system, there is that installation, as in you can do it in installments. The customer started in installments. We brought the panels, and here we have 4 panels. So after 2 months, we completed the payment, and here we are today to install the system now. And he has just started with 4 panels. Up there you can see the 4 panels, and there is room for adjustment. He's planning to add 4 more panels just because he's having 2 lithium batteries. That is 10 units. You've just heard from our engineer. I hope have asked a question for someone, for a subscriber somewhere. Kindly reach us out. Is Vanet Services. You solve your problem. We are here to solve your problem whenever you have issues with Kenya Power, issues with blackout in your home, in your workplace. Kindly check us out. It's Vanet Services. Happy client, happy business. See you in our next video, our next destination. Kindly be there with us. Thank you for now. Have a lovely time. Bye bye.